I know a lot of people can't because it is what it is. Just use push to talk and yeah, keep up. Oh, Parabella.
Oh, it's Parabellum and Winstrom.
F.
Keep in mind to yeah, keep your comms active. Keep your group. Play with your group. Don't play solo. Don't do solo stuff. Follow up calls, everything, and by now you should all be recording.
Can you call your secrets?
Let's go.
Ike, come pick the right side of the reverse.
So yeah, in the beginning, let's push for information. We're gonna push both sides of the B flag and see where they come from. If they will fight B, we'll fight B with them. If they will split, we'll just adapt.
We're all going just to the left of B point, yeah?
Yeah.
Yep.
Cool.
I want the C calls or the C numbers players to be precise as possible. Ask for help when you need. So let's go. 3 seconds. Fucking go.
On timer activated.
Okay.
Reminder. Don't forget to use your potions and cleansing. Save cooldowns for respawn call. Follow calls. Good luck. 10 seconds.
Anyone? Anything on C?
I see some
5,
people going A.
4,
It's clear.
3, 2,
Is there anything on C?
1.
Yeah, full C, I
Respawn.
think. Yeah,
Okay.
full Zerg on C, bro.
Someone needs to speak on C. Okay.
No,
So
I see some people on A.
Tuga stays on B. We're gonna full Zerg on C
Save
as
your
well.
cooldowns.
Can
10
fight
seconds.
We are going C as well.
By the way, Lost, you are not speaking. Or
5,
Tupla, you are not speaking
4,
on Discord.
3,
You are not Discord,
2,
tell me information.
1. Respawn.
Come fight. Let's start to engage on closer to the bonfire. Let's fight closer to the bonfire. Let's get into their backline of the point and sandwich them
10
with our C
seconds.
players.
Have people rotating from A to B.
How many?
Five people.
4,
Okay, group
3,
two,
I'm
go
going
back to B. Group
1.
2, go back to B.
Respawn.
We're still
Yeah,
fighting
that's
on the C gate, on the C point. Let's start to reticket the C point. Tell me if you need more help on B, please. Someone from C should be speaking
Save
on
your
this.
cooldowns.
There's
10
at least
seconds.
Look on the C, on the left side of the point.
10 guys
Okay,
on
so
B.
Five,
let's use
4, 3,
group 7 as
2,
well to go to B.
1. Respawn.
Yeah, there's about 10 here.
Group 7 as well go to B as fast as
There's
possible.
gonna be rotate A.
Don't die on B, wait for our help to arrive.
10
Be
seconds.
careful on the A side.
We're gonna need group
5,
okay,
Four,
Zerg groups come back
3,
to B.
2,
Only C
1.
groups and 9 and
Respawn.
8 stays on C. Only C groups and 9 and 8 stays on C. Everyone else will be going on B.
Check on
We're
us.
gonna wipe them right
I'm
now.
gonna pulse
Look
it.
back right
Save
of
your
the point, back
cooldowns.
right of the point, back right of
10
the point.
seconds.
Don't clamp on C, don't clamp on B. I mean,
Shower left
Five.
side.
clear the guys on the left side
Four,
of the point.
3,
Retake B,
2,
retake everything on
1.
B. Retake everything on B.
Respawn.
Kill these guys. Okay, groups can only group 2 and 7 stay on B. Everyone else can go C
Okay,
again.
we're
Go
staying
C,
here.
go C.
10
I need info on
seconds.
C, guys. I don't hear anyone talking from C. You are not speaking on Discord.
5, 4, 3,
Let's go
2,
fight C.
1.
Let's go fight C fast.
Respawn.
In about 3 seconds, we're gonna get into their backline of the point on C. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, bomb everything
your
into their
cooldowns.
backline of the point.
10
Work
seconds.
side of the point. Work side of the point. Bomb. We can retake it. This. We can retake it.
5, 4,
We can retake this.
3,
We can retake this.
2, 1.
Go to the point. Go to the
Respawn.
point. Go to the
Let's
point.
try- let's
bomb the
try and
point,
get
bomb
our-
the
let's try and
point.
get our showers
Left
around the
side and
point of
front
B.
side. Left side and
Try
front
and
side.
get our showers
Bomb
around
the
Left
the
side
point.
point,
Bomb
left
the
side
point. Look. Work him side. Work him side.
10
Bomb work him
seconds.
side. Kill these guys all. Everybody on work him side. How is B?
5,
Yeah, watch your day.
4,
Need help A and B maybe.
1.
Big wipe from B.
Respawn.
Okay, so
I'm stunned.
how many of us are on B right now?
15.
Okay.
Save your cooldowns.
So group 2 and group
10 seconds.
Drop C. Everyone go back to B. Drop C.
5,
Let's see go.
Tuck right
4,
on your falls.
3,
Let's fight 1 point. It's
2,
all good. No worries.
1.
Don't stay
Respawn.
on C fighting. Let's go back fast.
Right
B.
side point, a lot of them.
Go to your default positions. Let's fight B very fast. Go fast. Go
One
fast
side,
to
one
the
side,
point.
one
one side of the
Go
point.
fast to the point and go
Inside,
fast clear
inside.
the point. Good job.
5,
Nice, good clean.
4,
I see the big
Three,
taking. I'm
Watch out
spawning
from
right
two,
now.
the C side.
one.
They're coming from there.
Respawn.
Yeah,
On.
don't let him snowball, guys. Don't let him snowball. Watch out. See respawn. Look bonfire. Look bonfire.
Okay,
Look
I'm
bonfire. Every group.
Save
Let's
your
first clear
cooldowns.
the bonfire. Let's first clear
10
the
Come on,
bonfire.
focus
seconds.
bonfire.
In
let's focus
about
bonfire.
5 seconds, I'm gonna
Grenades in.
call
5,
for a big bomb on the
4,
bonfire side.
3,
In 3,
2,
1,
1.
bonfire. Kill bonfire side.
Respawn.
Kill bonfire side. Everyone, kill bonfire side. Bonfire side of the point. Bonfire side. Okay, from the bonfire, move to Warkham side. Warkham side. Don't clamp right now. Don't
10
clamp. Get out.
Healing Rocky.
Clear the Warkham
Thank
side.
you.
Clear Warkham side. Nice.
5,
Clear Warkham.
4,
Go back to
3,
default positions. Go back to
2,
default positions.
1.
Go back to default positions,
Respawn.
everyone.
I see
Kill them.
still people on the
Push
fourth
their
side
healers a
on
little
that.
bit.
So
Point group should be
be a little
taking
bit
the point.
careful
Point
on
group
that
should be
side.
taking the point.
Save your
Retake the point
cooldowns.
100%. Retake the
10
point 100%.
seconds.
Good job.
Tucker,
Default
are you
positions,
yourself?
clear
Yeah,
your
right
quarter.
side, opposite of bonfire.
Take,
Five,
take the fight outside the
4,
point. Take the
Nice.
fight
3,
outside the point.
Nice kills.
2,
Okay,
Okay, A side.
guys, in about 5
Yeah,
seconds,
respawn.
we're gonna
Right side
bomb
point, right
everyone
side
the point. Bomb
Okay,
the point,
okay,
bomb the point,
okay,
right
I'm
side
with
of the
you.
point. Bomb the right side of the point. Kill these guys on the point. Good job.
nice.
Get back. Go back. Fight
20
outside, fight
seconds.
outside.
Bonfire, they're forming again, bonfire.
Very good job.
Rocky on you, Tucker.
Yeah,
Look bonfire side. In about
showering-
5 seconds, I
showering
want
bonfire side of the
every
point.
group to come clear the bonfire side.
10
In 3,
seconds.
2, 1. Everyone should come clear bonfire. Come clear bonfire.
showered
Come
the
clear
bonfire
bonfire
side.
side.
Yeah, I'm on bonfire,
Very fast.
yeah,
Very
clear it.
fast.
3,
Very
2,
fast on bonfire side.
1.
Kill 2, kill
Respawn.
3, kill 4. Nice. Kill now. They have respawns. Okay, go back to default. Go back to default positions.
Healing
Left
Rocky.
side,
Good job,
seconds.
everyone. Good job, everyone. In about
Stun
10
two.
seconds, we're gonna do
Save
it
your
the same
cooldowns.
thing
I'm
in
healing you,
fourth
Rocky.
side. In fourth side.
Thank you.
In about
10
5.
seconds.
In about 5 seconds, we're gonna do everything to the fourth side. Save your cooldowns.
4,
Shower on the
in
back
3,
side.
2, 1.
One.
Fourth side. Come
Respawn.
clear the casters on fourth side. Everybody, clear the casters on fourth side. Clear the casters.
Left
There are
side
so many
point.
casters here, free casters. Kill
lot of them. Nice.
fourth side.
20
Kill fourth
seconds.
side. Look,
I'm
see
hitting
respawns. On the jungle, fight the jungle. Kill 1, kill 2, okay. Let's go back default positions.
10
Healing
seconds.
yourself again.
In about 5 seconds, we're gonna try to move as a Zerg to A side. In 3,
5, 4,
2,
3,
1.
2,
A side. Come
Respawn.
clear A side. Come
Separate
clear A
on
side
A
of the point.
Moving to
Big
A side to
gravity is
clear.
on the A side of the point. Kill everyone.
I'll shower on the A
From
side.
the look.
20
Let's
seconds.
push the road on Warkham side. Go as a Zerg. From A side to Warkham
Save your
side.
cooldowns.
From A side to Warkham side. Go as a Zerg, everyone. Go as a Zerg.
Tucker on you, falls.
10 seconds.
Push. Be greedy on the road.
Right
There
side
are a lot of casters. No
5,
worries about being greedy.
4,
Be greedy.
2,
Give them the point if needed.
One.
Give them the point.
Respawn.
Look, come fight the road on the Warkham side, guys. Fight the road on the Warkham side. A little bit more.
Okay, they're pushing point really hard.
Focus a lot,
They're
target
pushing
HP.
here,
20
yeah,
seconds.
Right side point, bonfire side.
Nice. Let's go back to point. Let's clear point.
You seeing that as well now? Again
Very
towards
good
top
job on
side.
the road.
I like
Shower,
it.
shower top
Warkham
side.
side of the point. Warkham side of the point.
10 seconds.
Warkham.
Healing you.
Okay, in about 5 seconds,
Five,
I'm gonna
Being
have a big
focused on
bomb
top side of the
Three,
point.
on bonfire
2,
on
1.
the point. So bomb the
Respawn.
point. Everything to the point. We need to
hitting
wipe them here. Bomb it. Warkham side.
20 seconds.
Rocky, I'm healing
Warkham
you
side.
again.
They are all low.
I'm drinking.
Work-
Save your cooldown.
Look. In about 3 seconds, we're gonna bomb everything again on the Warkham side. In 3,
10
2,
seconds.
1. Bomb Warkham side. Clear the point, guys. Clear the point.
4,
Save
Three,
cooldowns one more
2,
time for me. Save cooldowns one more
1.
time for me.
Respawn.
Right now. Bomb the point. Their side of the point. Warkham side of the point. So many low players.
back in now.
Heavy stick
On
the
your
point.
sister.
Stick the point.
20
We need to-
seconds.
We need to now come recover the point. Wipe them. Good job
heal you
on
again,
the retaking. They are not
10
bombing us.
seconds.
Very good job. You can leave the point. Only point
Five.
groups on the point.
4,
Only point
Yeah,
groups
I'm
on
back,
the
I'm
point.
back to the point
In
now.
5 seconds, you're gonna bomb the
One.
point.
Respawn.
Bomb it on your sides.
Okay.
On your sides. Play as a default position. Bomb the point.
Bonfire, there's a
Very
lot.
good job.
20 seconds.
Okay, I'm
Look A
focusing
side.
bonfire.
So many guys on A side, very low HP. So many guys on A side,
Save
very
your
low HP.
cooldown.
I might be dead, yeah.
Good job. Go default positions. Retake the
10
point.
seconds.
Retake the point to 100% and go default positions.
They're so crowded.
Good job.
First
Watch out on
5,
Warkham side. You're gonna get
4,
fucked on Warkham side.
3,
Get out of
2,
Warkham. Get out of the
1.
Warkham side. Don't go
Respawn.
Warkham side.
Response.
Let them come. In 5, 4,
be careful
3,
with
2,
respawns.
1. Everyone, bomb the point, bomb the point, bomb the point, bomb it, bomb it,
20
bomb it.
seconds.
They are very low. Work him side, work him side, work him to A 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 side. They are very low, very low, very low, very low. Good job, good job, good job, good job. Make sure they
10
die, make sure they
seconds.
die. Don't let him get away.
Coming
Don't
from
let
the
him get
left
away.
boat side.
Good job, guys. Good job, good job, good
5,
job.
I'm healing.
Four.
job.
3, 2,
Okay, bomb the point
One.
again, bomb the
Left
point
side
again.
respawn.
A side, A side, A side, A side, A side. Everyone A side, everyone A side. Bomb the A side of the point. Okay, okay. Leave the point, go play
20
default
seconds.
positions.
Watch
Go
out
play
the
default
bonfire
positions again.
side again.
Go play
I'm
default
healing
positions.
again.
I will respawn.
Backside of
Save
the
your
point towards their wall
cooldowns.
camp.
Very good job, guys.
Okay,
Very
I'm
good
stunned
job.
right now.
10 seconds.
Keep cleaning
Go
your
down.
quarters. Keep cleaning your quarters. I'm respawning right now.
5, 4,
Okay, in about 3
3,
seconds, we're gonna
2,
clear the point
Follow
again.
the sacred
In
on
3,
me, I'm
Respawn.
healing
2,
you.
1. Bomb the point, guys.
Bonfire
Bonfire
side.
side
Bonfire
of the
side,
point.
bonfire side.
Bonfire side of the point. Everything. I'm gonna regrab that.
20 seconds.
Everything you have on the bonfire side of the point. Front right side of the point. Front right side of the point. Don't die on me right now. Get out, don't
10
clamp,
seconds.
declamp. Get out of the point, Bait them to the point, Don't
5,
be on the point right now.
4,
Don't be on the
3,
point right now. In
2,
about 3 seconds, we're gonna
1.
bomb everything the point again.
Respawn.
Bomb it. Clear these tanks on the point. A side of the point. Very, very good grabs on A side of
20
the point. This is all.
seconds.
Good wipe. Don't clap now. Get out. In about
Save your
5 seconds, you're gonna
cooldowns.
go help all the fort side. Come as a zerg to fort side,
10
guys. Come as a
seconds.
zerg to fort side. In
to
3,
walk
2,
next to it.
1. Let's zerg the fort side.
5,
Let's zerg the fort
4,
side. Fort side of the
3,
point. Come
2,
clear fort side of the
1.
point. Fort side of the point.
Respawn.
Back right of the point. Kill all those guys.
Our side of the point, front side, front
30
side.
seconds.
Front side of the point in the clump.
Kill them now. Don't clump. Okay, in about 5 seconds, we're gonna bomb the point. In 3, 2, 1. Bomb everything to the
seconds.
point. A side of the point. A side of the point.
side of the point.
I got some
Big
break.
gravities there. Heavies if you are heavy.
Okay, on you.
Be on the edge of the point. Mediums in
10
and out.
seconds.
Clear the point. Look, A side. Let's zerg A side.
5,
Come clear A side,
4,
guys. Come clear A side.
3,
Good job.
2,
Kill.
1.
In 3 seconds, we're gonna bomb
Shower,
everything.
shower,
Bomb
left
it,
side.
bomb it now. Look, so many
Yeah,
tanks low
I
HP.
30
everywhere.
Bomb it. Retake it here. Make sure they die.
Yeah,
Big gravity on A side of the point. Big gravity is on A side. From A side to the fort side. From
20
A side to the
seconds.
work side. I
Healing
mean.
you.
Good job. Retake it. Get
Save
out.
your
Don't clamp.
cooldowns.
Don't clamp. You are clamping a lot. Don't clamp. Good job.
10 seconds.
In about 5 seconds, we're gonna bomb again everything to the point.
5,
Healing
3,
you.
3,
2,
2,
1.
Sprung
Bomb
up.
everything. Bomb the point.
Respawn. 35
Big shower on the right
seconds.
side, bonfire side. It can be nuked.
Make sure they die. Bomb it on your side.
30
Bomb it on your
seconds.
side. Very good job. The point is retaking. Very good job.
Healing force.
Get out of the point.
Rocky,
Don't
on
die,
your
guys. Don't die on the
20
point.
seconds.
Don't die on the point right now. Look,
Healing
in
Rocky
about
again.
3 seconds, we're gonna zerg fort side.
Oh, the fort side.
In 3, 2, 1. Big gravities on fort side.
10
road.
seconds.
Fort side road. Come clear the fort side road. Everyone, clear the fort side road.
On your
Nice.
side.
Get out.
5,
Don't clap now.
4,
Don't clap now.
3,
Healing
2,
you.
Safe cooldowns for the
1.
point.
Respawn.
In 3,
35
2, 1.
seconds.
I'm healing
Bomb the
force.
point. Work him side to A side.
30
Bomb
seconds.
it. We need to retake it here. Very important to retake it. Guys, bomb the point.
We don't have
Start to
any
go into the
orb,
point, guys.
seconds
We are
cooldown.
fighting
20
too far away from the point. The point is really
healing
taking
is
hard.
it?
We're gonna retake the point
Save
in
your
about 5
cooldowns.
seconds.
Sacred
5 seconds, save your cooldowns. In 3, 2, 1. Bomb the point.
10
Bomb
seconds.
everything to the point. Bomb it. Look, work fort side.
5,
Bomb it. Fort side to A
4,
side.
3,
Evis, retake
2,
the point. Retake the
1.
point. We kill them a lot.
Respawn. 35
Respawns now.
seconds.
Kill. Bomb it. Good job.
Healing yourself.
30 seconds.
Don't die and kill them. Respawning
Healing
right
us
now.
again.
So all
Let's
good.
go down here.
We are respawning right now.
seconds.
We're gonna do a bomb on a point in 5 seconds. We're gonna
I'm
need
gonna
to
die.
retake this
I'm
point.
coming back.
So in 5,
15 seconds.
4,
Don't die
3, 2, 1.
10
Everything
seconds.
to the point. Focus
of
your
the
damage to the point, guys. Focus your
I'm rushing
damage to
straight
the
to the
point.
point
Very
with
important
damage.
right
4,
now. In the middle of
3,
the point.
2,
All
1.
gravities, everything to the middle of the point. Bomb the point.
35
Middle of the
seconds.
point. Bomb, bomb, bomb it,
A-side,
bomb it,
A-side,
bomb it,
A-side.
bomb it, bomb it, bomb it. Retake it here, retake it
30
here.
seconds.
Retake. Heavy's in, heavy's in. I don't see
Right
point
side,
groups
right
on the
side.
point. I don't see point groups on the point. I need more players on the point. Look, they are full engagement on the point. Full engage on the
20
point.
seconds.
Bomb it, bomb it, bomb it, bomb the point, guys. Bomb the point. Come inside the point. Come inside the point.
Save
If you
your
don't come
cooldowns.
inside, we die. If you don't come inside, we lose the point. Do everything. Look, fourth side of the point.
10
Fourth side of the
seconds.
point. Big gravity. This is all us. Come. Commit to the point. Commit to the point. Commit,
5,
guys. Commit. Get inside.
4,
Get inside. Doesn't
3,
matter if you die. Commit.
2,
Commit.
guys.
1.
Retake it. Get inside.
Respawn.
Get inside the point. Get
35
inside the point.
seconds.
Get inside the point. Get inside the point. I'm respawning right now. Okay,
30
we lost it. So
seconds.
good. Let's play default. Start to fight it. Start to
Right.
fight them outside
Buy
the
what you
outside
can
the
from
fort.
the shop now, guys.
Yep.
10 seconds.
Good job. Delay them as much as possible. Delay these guys as much as possible.
5,
Buy your
4,
consumables.
3, 2, 1. Respawn. 35 seconds.
Look,
Making
A-gate.
this one
A-gate
go
players.
really
5 and 10. 5 and 10 to
30
A-gate. 5 and 10
seconds.
to A-gate. They are free.
I don't
They are
see
free,
them.
destroying
They
free the
destroyed
A-gate.
it. They destroyed it.
Yep. Jump on the A-gate. Jump on the A-gate. Jump on the A-gate. Fight them on the A-gate. Kill them
20
here.
seconds.
They shouldn't have this door for free, guys.
Yeah,
They shouldn't
go
have this
for
far.
B.
This
Are we
door.
gonna
Save
defend
your
us
cooldowns.
With help on B.
Okay, fight them.
Don't have anyone on B.
10 seconds.
Good
Yeah,
job
put-
on the A-gate.
put- yeah,
Good job
point-
on the
point
A-gate.
group, let's come
Can
back
you
to B.
repair the B-gate? Repair the
5,
B-gate if possible.
4,
Repair the B-gate if
3,
possible.
2, 1.
Whoever is
Respawn.
responsible for the B-gate,
35 seconds.
Repair it to
Nice,
B-gate.
very
Yeah,
good.
Hika's here now.
30
I
seconds.
Cover ground on you
On
guys.
the B-gate, come inside. Don't fight outside. Don't be on the choke point. Don't be on the choke point. Throw them
20 seconds.
abilities. Good job.
Save
In
your
about 5
cooldowns.
seconds, we're gonna bomb everything on the choke point.
healing you.
In 3, 2,
Cover
10
ground on you.
seconds.
1. Okay, everything on the choke point. Path of Destinies, gravities, ice
5,
walls, everything.
4, 3,
Good job.
1.
Come back inside.
Respawn. 43 seconds.
Don't forget point players to play on the point every
40
time.
seconds.
Good job on the A door. Good job on the A door on delaying them. Very good
Cover
job.
on you guys.
You're doing great.
30 seconds.
So repair players if you can start repairing. Like I don't think it's possible right now, but be aware of that. Look, I think you might repair big gate. I'm not gonna lie.
20 seconds.
We can push outside.
Good job.
No,
Look,
no, no,
if you are not doing nothing on your
No,
ground,
cover down
support the players
10
close
seconds.
to you. Look, catwalk. A lot of guys on catwalk. We can clear these very fast. I'm clearing the
5,
catwalk with you guys.
4,
Kill these guys.
3,
These guys are all very
2,
low. Good job on catwalk.
1.
Good job on catwalk.
Respawn. 43 seconds.
Go look on the catwalk
40
players.
We
Go
got
look to
off
the other
the
side of the
My
catwalk.
shower
Look
on B.
the D gate. Look the D gate on the
Careful
catwalk.
behind.
Look. Oh, so many guys here. So
30
many guys here.
seconds.
I shower on them.
Okay, they are trying to push
job.
in now from B.
Good job. Don't die. It's all
Healing
good. So good.
yourself.
Let's wipe these guys trying to get in.
Good job on fighting the ground, guys. Good job on
20
killing
seconds.
the guys on the catwalk. Point
Healing
players
Save your
yourself.
cooldowns.
keep playing on the point. Everything seems fine.
10 seconds.
On the C gate. Don't let them get in. Don't let them
I'm
get in.
gonna go
Use
shower
your
B
shield.
gate.
Use your
I'm
abilities.
gonna go shower
Two.
B.
Don't let them get in.
1. Respawn. 43 seconds.
I'm healing you guys.
Good job. Very good job
40
on the gate,
seconds.
guys. Very good job on the A gate. Very good job on the A gate.
See you guys.
Keep fighting them.
No problem.
Yep. Respawning right now.
30 seconds.
Okay,
Guys coming from there.
guys. Point players. Help a little bit on the C side of the point. C side of the point on the
Cover
road.
down this side.
A lot of guys on the road of the
20
of the point.
seconds.
On the C road, on the C ground. Good wipe. Don't clump right now.
wipe.
Don't clump right now. Very good job on the C.
Cover.
On the C ground. Very good job on the C.
You can repair B door. You can repair
Yep.
B
You
door.
can
Don't
repair
have
B
any.
door. You can repair B door. One of you protect the repairers,
5,
please.
4, 3,
Keep fighting your
2,
ground.
1.
I'm
Respawn.
So
Forty-three
A ground
seconds.
is getting overwhelmed. Come help the A ground.
40
Come
seconds.
help the A ground. Good job on the big gate. Good job on the big gate. You don't need to worry about the big gate. Come help the A ground. Come help the A.
I'm
Come
not
help the
helping
A
A,
door.
I'm
guys.
not
Come
helping
help
A.
the A door.
People wiping on C.
30
Help the
seconds.
A door. Good job on the A door. Good job.
If you
Good job.
have
You
ice
are
shower,
wiping them
just
very
slow
well.
down.
Good job. Good job.
For me.
Yeah, we don't have to worry.
Play
about
default,
B
play
right
default
now. We
positions,
can just
play
help
default
these guys a
positions.
little bit.
20
If
seconds.
someone is really fucked up on
A
some
is-
situation, to
A
call me
is
out.
still good.
Good job on the C
Something
gate.
your fault.
Let's clear the C gate. Clear the C gate.
Fuck,
Clear
don't
the C
pause.
gate very fast. They cannot get in. Clear the C
One
gate.
10
guy
seconds.
on
Guys
the,
from the catwalk,
on
help,
point.
guys from the catwalk, help on the C ground. Help on the C ground. Come
5,
clear these guys on the C
4,
ground.
Ground.
Very
3,
fast, very fast. We're
2,
gonna outnumber them.
1.
Gonna outnumber them on the C
Super
ground.
healing you.
Nice, nice, nice. Good job on the C ground. Good job on the C
5,
ground. Keep repairing
4,
the C ground. Keep
3,
repairing
2,
the C gate. Keep
1.
repairing the C gate if you have
Respawn.
repairs.
Respawn, respawn
43
on B.
Guys, don't
Very
let them
good job.
put kegs on fucking doors.
Respawn
40
B
seconds.
door, yeah.
Yep.
They are destroying.
The range players can kill the kegs from outside,
Yep.
I believe.
Remember Dubai.
Look,
by the way.
over the
30
walls.
seconds.
Group 3 and Group 6.
They're all broken.
Over the big gate walls. Over the big gate walls. Make sure you clean everything there. Make sure you clean
We
everything
have
there.
a healer.
20
If
seconds.
you have repairs, repair the big gate.
Oh, he's
Repair the
running
big
away.
gate.
Never mind.
Poppy, can
Save
we
your
get some people on
cooldowns.
the walls?
Big gate almost down.
Yep.
down there.
Group 6 and Group 3
10
should be on the
seconds.
walls. Group 6 and Group 3 should be on the walls right now.
5,
If not, we're gonna
4,
we're gonna
3,
try to. Let's first
1.
clear the guys on A gate.
Respawn.
Let's clear the guys on the
43
A gate.
seconds.
Clear these guys on the A gate. This is
40
big respawn.
seconds.
Make sure we kill these 4 guys. Make sure you kill these 4 guys.
I'm being
Kill.
going, eh?
Gravity on A door. Gravity on A door. Kill these guys. Kill these guys. Kill 1 down, 2 down. Very good.
30 seconds.
Very good. Now,
Sucker, don't
guys from
fall.
the A gate.
They coming in.
Only Group 5 stay on the A gate.
The
Group
ground.
10 come
I'm back
help me
down at B, I'm back down at
on
B.
the catwalk. On the
20
catwalk.
seconds.
On the over the
I'm
B gate.
healing you.
Group 10 come
Sucker, don't
over the
roll
B
me.
gate and clear these guys. Group 10. Come over.
10
Come
seconds.
help the casters. Kill all the casters, okay? It's very much clear.
5,
Very much clear.
4,
Go back to
3,
your default positions.
2,
Go back to your default positions.
1.
Ese on
Very good
Respawn.
job. Look,
43 seconds.
Look, catwalk.
40
Let's
seconds.
support the catwalk. Look, come closer to the point. We need to come closer to the point, guys. Every
they
groups
have
come
pushing
clear the point. In about 5 seconds, we're gonna bomb everything to the point.
30
Come
seconds.
closer to the point.
You're
In
okay?
3, 2, 1. Bomb the point. Clear the point. Clear from the point to suicide.
Left side point.
Good job on white.
Seagate.
Good job on white in the
Okay.
point. Good job on white in the
I'm
point.
gonna
20
Look
seconds.
left side of the point. C side of the point. Good job.
Now I
Look
gotta
B
wait.
side of the point. Look B
Save your
front side of the
cooldowns.
point. Front
Yeah,
side of
yeah,
the
okay.
point. Save front side of the
Thank
point.
you.
They're very low on front side
10
of the point.
seconds.
Good job.
Here
Clear
we
these
go.
guys. We need to clear these guys outside the
5,
out of the
I'm gonna
point.
go. I'm gonna
Four,
go shower
players,
B gate. I'm
point
gonna go
groups,
shower.
Keep
2,
in. Keep
1.
in.
Respawn.
Point players keep in. Nice.
50
nice.
seconds.
Good job. This is all we have to do. Watch up your response. The game will be harder and harder further do.
On you, Skipper.
Look, on the
40
point,
seconds.
kill these guys on the point.
Yes, sir.
I see a lot of them
Anyone
on the
has a
point
shower?
free ticking. Don't let them free tick,
For
guys.
big gate.
Don't let
Okay,
them free
okay.
tick. If you need to come closer to the point,
Middle of the
30
point.
seconds.
Middle of the point. Couple of guys on the middle of the
don't
point.
let these guys free tick just
They're in
because.
showers and all sorts
Look,
of
B
shit.
gate. We need help on the B gate. We're gonna need help on the B gate. Side gates, come help a little bit the B gate.
20
Come
seconds.
help a little bit the B gate. Come clean the point. Come
Gonna
clear the
pause
point.
again.
In about 5 seconds, we're gonna bomb everything to
Yes,
the
sir,
point.
soccer, don't
In
you?
3, 2, 1. Bomb it. Everything to the point. Everything
10
to the point.
seconds.
All our graves. Commit to
Healing
this fight on
myself.
the point. Wipe them.
Come
Five,
Look, C
repair
side
the
of the
gate.
point. C side of the point.
3,
C side of the point.
2, 1.
In 3, 2, 1.
Respawn.
Bomb it right now. Bomb it.
50 seconds.
Big respawn.
Come
Nice.
prepare the
Good
gate if you
wipe.
can.
Good
Come
wipe.
prepare the gate.
Don't wipe right now. Don't die. Don't clamp.
Repair big gate, repair big gate.
You can
40
repair the B
seconds.
gate. You can repair the B gate. Look on the ground of the
Shower
C
on the
gate.
bottom
Don't
side,
clamp
shower
on the
on the
ground of
bottom
the
side.
C gate.
Just 10 repairs left.
Good job. Guys, in about
30
3 seconds, I
seconds.
want to focus on the stairs of the seaside. On the stairs of the
Yes, I'm
seaside.
healing you.
Stairs of the seaside right now. In
Soccer,
3,
don't
2,
you?
1. Stairs of the seaside. Stairs
20
of the
seconds.
seaside. Come fight the
Healing
stairs.
you,
Come fight the stairs. Fight the stairs.
Save your
Clear these
cooldowns.
guys on the stairs. Where is me? Where is Archirao? Find
10 seconds.
your players. Where is Pugsan?
On
Kill these guys.
pause,
Kill these
soccer.
guys.
Let's
So
grab
good,
one.
so
Five.
good, so good.
I'm showering
Okay,
B
in about
gate.
5 seconds, we're
3,
gonna bomb everything to the
2,
point. In 3,
1.
2, 1.
Respawn.
Bomb the point.
50
Middle of the
seconds.
point. Bomb it. Middle of the point.
On
Bomb
pause
it. Don't let him free tick. I'm gonna grab C side of the point. 3 guys here. Kill
40
these 3
seconds.
guys on C side. Kill. Good job. Don't clamp right now. So good. Push them out of the point. We don't
30
want the fight to
seconds.
be on the point. Start to push them out. Make sure they are not free ticking, but push them out. Good job. Look, suicide. Come clear a little bit on the back side of the
Shower
point.
B gate
Look,
again.
dead zone.
20 seconds.
Come clear the dead zone. Point players and the groups that can support.
Papi, just tell me
Three.
when you want to repair the gate.
Okay. In 3, 2, 1. Look, we're gonna need
10
to clear
seconds.
the point.
Soccer, don't answer.
And we're
Top
gonna need
side,
to
top
clear
side,
the
top
point
side, top side,
in
top
the
side.
C side of the
Five.
point.
Suicide.
In about
Oh,
5
yeah.
seconds,
3,
we're gonna bomb everything
2,
to the point. In
1.
3, 2,
Respawn.
1. Bomb it, bomb it, bomb it, bomb it, bomb
50
it, bomb it right
seconds.
now. Bomb it right now. Bomb it right now. Bomb it right now. Bomb it, bomb it, bomb it.
We're going in.
Bomb it, bomb it, bomb it, bomb it, bomb it the point, bomb the point, bomb the point.
Alpha repair
Bomb the
the
point.
gate.
Good job, good job.
40
I'm
seconds.
healing you, sir.
Make sure your respawns are clear. Okay, in about 3 seconds, I want to clear everything on the point again. In 3, 2, 1. Clear the point, clear the
30
point, clear the
seconds.
point. It's free ticking, guys. If
I'm
you are
dead.
not clearing the point,
Don't
you are
die
in
now.
a wrong position. Come
Where's
clear the point.
this?
Look, on the sides of the point, on the sides of the point. In about 5 seconds, we're gonna bomb
20
the point again.
seconds.
In 3, 2, 1. Everyone, bomb the point, bomb the point, bomb the point. Clear the
Save your
point, guys. Clear the
cooldowns.
point,
Use
clear
our
the point,
engines
clear the
and,
point.
Okay, we got
Good job, good job on the
10
big gate. Good
seconds.
job, good job on the gates, guys.
10
Good job on the
seconds.
gates. Now it's the
Okay,
time to
die
kill.
now if you
In
wanna
about
die.
5 seconds, we're
5,
gonna need to kill them
4,
all.
3,
In 3,
2,
2, 1.
1.
Kill them, kill them, kill them,
Respawn.
kill them, kill them, kill them, kill them on the
50
point.
seconds.
Kill them on the point. Watch out the respawns. Respawns are not clear. Wait 3 seconds.
kills.
Wait 3 seconds for
I
the
got
respawn.
out of the
You can respawn now. You can respawn
Stop,
now.
brother, I'm healing you. Stop.
Good job, good job, good job.
40 seconds.
I'm back on the point.
Good job on the point. Clear everybody from the point. After we retake the point, you're gonna help the back response. Come first, clear the point, guys. First, we need to fucking
30
clear this
seconds.
point. We need to clear this point. Good job on the point. Good job on. Don't come. Get out of the point right now. Get out of the point. Get out of the point. Get out of the point. Come clear the back gates. Come clear the back stairs.
20
Back stairs.
seconds.
Back stairs. Back stairs. Back stairs. A lot of guys on the back stairs. We need help on the back stairs.
Save your
Look,
cooldowns.
big clamp on the back stairs. Don't clamp there. In about 3 seconds, we're gonna bomb everything to the back
10
stairs.
seconds.
In 3, 2, 1. Back. Look. Suicide. 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 Suicide.
5,
Dead zone. Dead zone.
4,
In 3,
3,
2, 1.
2,
Everything to the dead
1.
zone. Everything to the dead zone.
Respawn.
Look. Back side of the point. Good wipe. Good wipe.
Big
Good wipe.
big side,
Good
big
wipe.
side.
Wipe.
There's a big clump.
55 seconds.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Now it's the time to kill. Don't die right now. Don't die right
Alpha's
now.
on repair big.
Yep. Look. In about 3 seconds, we're gonna bomb the point again. B side of the point. Front side of the point. In 3, 2, 1. Close
40
to the big gate.
seconds.
Close to the big gate. Bomb it. Bomb these guys. Bomb these guys close to the big gate. Bomb these guys close to the big gate. Good job. Good job. Don't die. Don't die. Don't die. Nice. Spread. Go help the response,
30
guys. Go
seconds.
help the response. Go help the back response and the front response if they are not clear. Now, make sure the response are clear. Make sure the response are clear.
20 seconds.
on you,
Good job.
Rocky,
Good job.
Yeah,
Good job.
yeah,
Good
yeah.
job.
I'm
Good
just
job. Good
teaming
job.
for a sec with grabs out.
Look, we're gonna get fucked from
Save
the
your
A side.
cooldowns.
In about 5
Dead zone,
seconds,
dead
we're gonna
zone,
bomb
guys, dead zone.
everything
Top
to the
side,
point.
top side of the
3,
point.
10
2,
seconds.
1. Bomb the point. Bomb the point. Bomb the point. Bomb it. Bomb it. Bomb it. Bomb it. Bomb it. Bomb it. Nice.
Five,
Save cooldowns.
4,
Save cooldowns again.
3,
Save cooldowns again.
2,
Save cooldowns.
1.
Bomb it now. Bomb it now. Bomb it now.
Respawn.
Bomb it now. Bomb it now. Bomb it now. Right side of the point. A side of the point. A side of the point.
close.
Everything. Everything to the A
55
side of the point.
seconds.
Like on the edge of the
Fuck on
point.
you.
On the edge of the point. Make sure these guys die. Make sure these guys die.
4
Nice.
seconds and I can go
Good job
shower
on the
PK.
ground on the A side. Good job on the ground on the A side. Where is Riona?
it's already showered, nice.
Exactly where Riona is playing. Fight these guys on Riona. Fight these guys on Riona
40
on the A side.
seconds.
Where
Inside
Red
the
School
side
is.
of
Where's
the-
good weapon on A side. Good weapon on A side. Don't clamp there. In about 3 seconds, we're gonna need to support the point. In 3,
Careful on B.
2, 1. Everybody, come
30
support the
seconds.
point. Come support the point.
healing
Point to
guys.
the back. Come, point to the stairs. Point to the stairs. Good job. Good job.
Can't reach you, falls. I'm healing
Don't
you.
clamp on the
20
point.
seconds.
Get out of the point. You
Nice.
can get out of the point. Get out of the point. Let them TK if it's needed. Let them TK
Save
if
your
it's needed.
cooldowns.
Don't stay on the point right now. Don't stay on the point right now. Fight outside. Don't die.
10
Fight outside.
seconds.
If they will go on the point, they will die in about 5 seconds. Hold it. Don't be on the point right now.
4,
Fight outside.
3,
Fight outside. In 3,
1.
2, 1. Bomb
Respawn.
everything to the point.
Yeah,
Bomb
let's
everything
go
to the point. B side of the point. Front side of the point. Bomb it.
55 seconds.
Bomb it. Make sure they die. Don't die. Make sure they die. Nice. Kill 1, kill 2. Get out. Don't clamp. Big respawn. Don't die. Make sure you don't die.
Respawn coming from the
Don't
big
clamp
side.
there.
Watch out,
In
40
about 5
seconds.
seconds, I want to bomb the point again. In 3, 2, 1. Every group should be helping on the point. Everyone should be helping on clear the point. In 3, 2, 1. Bomb the point.
30
Look, C side of the point. C side of the point. Bomb it. Good job.
And Rocky.
Make sure they die. Now declamp from the point. Get out of the point. Only point groups on the point.
20 seconds.
Go clear the stairs, guys. Back stairs.
Two guys.
Save your
I'm dead.
cooldowns.
I don't know
top side.
if you can
On
repair,
the
but if you can repair,
Because
this will be an amazing time.
10 seconds.
Guys, in about 5 seconds, we're gonna bomb everybody to the
5,
suicide.
Yes, I
Dead
only
zone, backside of
3,
the point. In
2,
3, 2,
1.
1. Suicide.
Respawn.
Dead zone. Kill these 5 guys there. Kill these guys on the dead zone.
55
Kill these guys
seconds.
on the dead zone. Very
I have
important,
no
very important.
repairs. Okay.
Good job on the repairs. Kill them. Rebomb the point if you can. Rebomb the point if you can.
I'm gonna go
Okay,
shower B
solid
again.
job, solid job.
From the B
Look,
gate,
look, B gate. There are
30
about
seconds.
30 guys on the B gate. We're
Hold
gonna
on the
need
tower.
help on
I
the B
see
gate.
shower there, so I'm gonna
Delay
put one
them,
on the
delay them
point.
on the B gate. Delay them on the B gate. Kill the guys inside and
On
do
fire.
use your
30
AoE,
seconds.
AoE abilities to the B gate. Don't go to the clamp. Just delay them. Just fucking delay them. They will need to use everything to come inside. So in about 5
20
seconds,
seconds.
okay, in about 5 seconds we're gonna bomb B gate in 2, 3, in 3,
Save your
2,
cooldowns.
1.
On
B gate,
SS.
everything to
Okay.
the B gate. Front side of the point. Front side of the
10
point. They are
seconds.
zerging. They don't have cooldowns. They don't have cooldowns on the B gate. Kill them. Kill them.
5,
Good wipes.
4,
Very good job.
3.
Very good job.
2,
Healing.
Kill them.
1.
Prepare again.
Respawn.
Respawn.
Last respawn.
Bomb
got
it
away.
together. Stay alive. Don't die. Kill them. Good job on the point. Get out of the point, guys. Get out of the point. Give them the point if needed.
Oh, I'm
Don't clamp on the point right now. Don't clamp on the point right now. Don't
side
clamp.
point.
Let them tick.
Good job.
Let them
Good
tick.
job.
Let them
Good
tick.
fucking job.
Let them tick in 3, 2, 1. Everything to the point. Everything to the point. Everything to the middle. Nice. Good wipes, guys.
Oh,
Good
this
wipes.
shit
Very
keep
good job.
dropping
Very
healing
solid job.
falls.
In here. Good job. Keep killing. Very solid,
healing
guys.
here.
Very solid. Good job.
Nice, GG.
Look, B gate. Farm your score right now on the B gate. You might be
They suicide.
Healing,
that you
yes,
like.
sir.
I don't know.
I want
Respawn
farm,
timer
farm
was
damage,
stopped.
please.
Good job.
Nice.
Nice. Well played.
Good job.
Good job. Yeah.
Nice job.
Good war.
Good war.
Did we won
Solid
morning there?
job.
Nice goals.
It was a nice heal though.
User disconnected
Yeah.
from your channel.
Thank you.
Please, if you have feedback about respawn timer, you can DM me, call Green.
and
See ya guys,
sorry,
I'm going
sorry
to
to
Discord.
interrupt. Yeah,
No,
about
it's
the
okay.
respawn time. Yeah, but the respawn timer, everyone
User
can
disconnected from your channel.
go to Call Grim and give the feedback. And about myself, like most of you don't know me, but feel free to speak with me. Like I will not treat you bad. I guarantee. So you can reach out to me. You can tell me like you did bad year, you did good year. Like don't be toxic. Just any constructive feedback is very well appreciated. So yeah. It was
Any idea
good job,
on
guys. Very
the
good job.
morning though? Do you guys know?
Zero clue.
Exciting.
I think he's